KBB is just the most fantastic show to showcase everything that's new in kitchens, bathrooms and bedrooms. It's a venue where people just get to show off, suppliers, manufacturers get to absolutely show their product in the best possible light. And because it's here at the NEC, it's easy for people to get here, and they've got a one-stop shop of everything that's new in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms. When Multipanel first contacted me, it was a concept for walls that I hadn't really taken on fully. So when I got to kind of understand what the company were doing, it just became really obvious that more people need to know about this. So it's less about tiling and using paint, old-fashioned ways of decorating bathroom spaces. The new way of doing it is to panel it because it's cleaner, more efficient, it's much quicker to install. The big companies are doing it top end with the big slab tiles now, so there's very little grout involved. What Multipanel are doing are using a plywood substrate, which makes it lighter than the tile, easier to handle, but still with those really, really good 5-star looks. These panels just look amazing.